Hide away, I don't wanna feel no pain. You don't wanna say goodnight, so in this case I might as well stay. Hide away, I don't wanna feel no pain. You don't wanna say goodbye, so in this case I might as well stay. Why is it that we fuss when we don't need to? I'm far past the arguing. Don't blame these meddling fools, they're just trying to cop a bargain. I'm not a cheap shot, I know they won't stop. Your love is so sincere, that's all I ever think of. But don't test my commitment, reassurance in the shortest description. How many times are we gonna play these games? How many times you reckon we're gonna go around with the issue that you really want me to stay? How many times have I left and I've came back? You worry what I'd think you